Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the footprint and one of the reasons why it's a great tool. So, it's something that I've had up on my screens. It's just over here for a while, but it isn't something that I relied on all that heavily. In fact, I sort of mainly tended to use the price ladder and the profile. And what I found about the price ladder is that sometimes, you see the order flow coming in, you can see the activity picking up, but it also sort of plays on your emotions. It kind of sometimes makes you feel like you should have had more size on, or that it makes you feel like you should be out of it, like it makes you feel vulnerable or greedy or whatever it is. And one thing I noticed the other day, and this was like quite a big revelation for me, is I just thought, I'm going to watch the footprint a little bit more today. And when I did it, it kind of really removed that emotional aspect of being in the trade for me. And I actually thought that was quite a powerful thing. So I think I suppose maybe if you find yourself vulnerable to those same kind of emotions that tug on you while you're trading, that's something that you could lean on just to, I suppose, make more, like well thought out decisions rather than reactive decisions. And it also, I suppose, goes to show how you need the balance between your tools. If you're someone who just really likes candlesticks or just really likes the price ladder, I think maybe this is also a good, reason for why you should go and spend your time, broader across all of your tools, so that you don't sort of get too locked in on one thing and lose sight of the sort of more general picture, because having the right context, the right emotional state, the right understanding is just so important for trading well. So anyway, if you're not looking at the footprint and you find yourself sometimes at a loss due to your emotions, then consider using the footprint. Consider how that could help you break down the order flow and what you're seeing on the price ladder and help you make more concrete decisions. So that's it for us today. If you're liking the vlogs, please hit the like or subscribe button and go and check out elitetraderworkshop.com to find out more about what Axia has to offer. I'll catch you guys again soon. See ya.